Hello, Gemini. So if you are Gemini, Sun, Moon, or Rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. What is going on for Gemini right now? What do we need to know for Gemini right now? A couple of cards jumping out today. Okay. You guys are feeling like you need big change. Big change. They're really flying out today. Okay, let's see. They're flipping around. They're very active. These cards are, I think they want to speak to you guys, Gemini. We have the Tower, big changes. And okay, so there's a lot going on here. Wow, okay. So, Gemini. The Eight of Cups. Things are not working out. Something is not working out for you guys right now, or whatever is going on, a specific situation. And I feel like there's like deep rooted things going on here. This could be family situation. This could be deep healing things, generational stuff. I feel like there's something that you guys want to change. And I feel like you guys want this to happen now. Like this is not something that you guys want to wait on. It's like you guys need change and you need it now. So we have the Three of Discs. So there could be some interference in your goals, your plan. And I feel like you guys are also longing to do things with other people, doing things together with other people, whether it's learning together or doing things together. There's something here you guys want to do with other people. I also feel like some of you guys could be learning something from other people with this. So because the Three of Discs is like learning in the process, having skills, and it's usually being with other people, and it's sometimes it means people starting to notice your work. But I feel like you guys are, this is a goal, and it's like you have to make plans to get to that goal. It's like you have to push to get to that goal. So then we have the Seven of Cups, and this kind of goes with the Eight. So it's like something's not working out, and you want to, so you guys could be feeling like you need a change in how you're doing something, because you don't want to keep working on or waiting for something that's not working out. You want to turn that around and put energy into something that is productive, that's working out for you, something that's going to give you life energy back, something that's going to give you happiness back, and something that's going to give you information, skills, or whatever it is that you guys want to know, whether it's goals, skills, whatever you guys want to do. There is something that you guys want to do. I feel like there's a lot going on. Like I feel like there's you want to get knowledge, you want to share knowledge, you want something in your life to change, and you want to bring in more, I feel like getting together with other people or seeing other people, being able to be free. I'm getting the word free. It's more like freedom here. So we have the Aeon. This is the Judgment card. This is rebirth. This is renewal. So you recently went through some kind of deep healing, deep awakening, deep something in the recent past, so spiritual growth. Something major happened in the recent past. And I feel like you're going through it again. Like you're going through it again with the Hangman. So it's like there are things happening, and some of it you can control and some of it you can't. So you're trying to hold on to what you can control. This is what you want to get knowledge from. This is what you want to do your goals with. This is what you want to, so whether it's helping yourself, helping others, or both, with your goals. It's about understanding something, knowing the truth, speaking the truth, and sharing it, and also living your life. Like I feel like you guys have a lot going on in different situations, relationships, and like internal with yourself, with your relationships with others. So there's major changes here, spiritual growth and rebirth, and I feel like you guys are gonna go through it again, or going through it. You did it in the past and you're going through another time here. Usually the Hanged Man is like going with the flow, but this could feel uncomfortable right now for you guys. Like if you feel like you want to move, and I feel like that's going to be the changes. Like you're going to have more less going with the flow. You could be drawn to less going with the flow and taking action in the areas of your life that you want to take action with, and it's going to be different action because you have the Two of Wands, and this is like, which way are you going to go? So this is passion. You're seeing the vision of what you want to do. There's two paths. You can go this way or you can go that way, and I feel like you guys want to take a different path, a different approach, and you have a vision and you want to see it come to life with the Two of Wands. And I feel like that this is going to bring some peace, some happiness, some feel good. It's going to get rid of this, like the muck, the stuff that you don't want, the stuff that's negative, this stuff that's taking away the happiness from you guys. Ooh, we have the Ten of Swords. So there is definitely something in the mind that you need to let go of with the Ten of Swords right now. Like, so there's something here, and you could be feeling like this is like, enough is enough. Why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you taking on these worries, these things that maybe it's not for you to take on here with the Ten of Swords, because it's so heavy. It's blocking energy. It's not for your highest good here. So you could be feeling this, like, I need peace of mind. So there's too much going on, and it's interference from others. So it's like doing things so you don't have to worry about all these other things, and that you can take care of yourself and continue with this, whatever this is, gaining a skill, learning as you're going through the process, sharing your knowledge, getting more knowledge, work, goals, things like that. We have the Ten of Cups here. So there are some good things happening here, and maybe you guys are doing that. Maybe there is some beautiful things happening here. So there is opportunities around you guys here. So you could be taking those opportunities, because I feel like you guys need like an escape, and this is a good time to do that, because it's going to bring in some light with, into these situations. It's going to bring in some light, and this is going to help with what your challenges are. It's going to it's going to break that up a little bit and bring some light in there. Yeah, so see, the colors are the same, but they mean two different things. This is like letting go, and this is doing things that make you happy. The Knight of Swords. The Knights of the Kings in this deck, and you got the Knight of Swords and you got the Knight of Wands. The Knight of Swords is like, that's it, it's letting go, and it's really having the knowledge, and this is like it's really having the knowledge and seeing things for what they are, and not worrying, and not letting anything take up space in your mind that should not be there. The King he's accomplished that. So this is a goal that you guys have. You guys are very aware. You guys are very intuitive. You guys have like this inner knowing, and you guys can feel what's going on in your own situations, as well as the situations of others. So this is all about remembering that, you have control of that. You have control, you have choice, and you can choose to do things differently. And I feel like you guys are thinking about this and making this big change. The Knight of Wands is, it's about chasing your goals. And I feel like you guys are on fire to do whatever it is that you guys want to go after. And if you're not, you're going to be doing it. Maybe even completing a project that you started and maybe put aside for whatever is interfering right now. So you guys are going to be feeling this very soon if you're not feeling it already, and I feel like you guys are going to make this happen. The Tower card and Science. So you got major change here. Something's going to change very quickly, because I feel like you guys are feeling this intense thing for time. With the Tower cards, like you're going to be moving, changing something, and bringing in something new. And the Six of Swords is called science. It's like moving past the difficult times. So it's like moving away from this, moving away from too much clutter in the mind, too much worrying about things that are not yours to worry about, you know, taking on things on your shoulders, like taking too much, and have a little bit more freedom. And so it's about doing something in a different way that brings you from this place to this place, where this place it's safer mentally, in all kinds of ways for you guys. So hang in there, Gemini. You have a vision, a path, which way you're going to go. You guys are on fire, changing something. The way you were doing things in the past, you're not doing it anymore. So I wish you guys well. Sending love.